Shayla, I'm going to scooch this closer just so that everyone can see. Whoop. Something fall? Oh, no, we're good. Okay, Broncos, so on the board, you see this barnyard picture. I want you to think in your brain, what is an addition sentence that I can write using this picture? So think about it. Think about it. And with your partner, you're going to write your addition sentence. I have some whiteboards here for you. You're going to share the whiteboard with your partner. One person can write, you both can write. You're going to have to figure that out together. But I want you to work together to find an addition sentence about the animals that you see in this picture. Okay, so I will bring you your whiteboards. And as soon as you have your whiteboard, you take it. You can get started. Talk to your partner. Think about what sentence you want to write. Okay. No, you do not have to. Ada asked a great question. You do not have to use all of the animals. We just want, oh, you're in the same group. We just want one addition sentence. Yeah, you choose one animal. You may start.
There's 5 cows. 2 are in the barn and there's 3 cows.
So how, if you know that there's 5 cows altogether, 2 are in the barn and 3 are outside, how are you going to write that?
Oh, it turned off.
Oh, no. Okay. We'll fix that.
5 cows. 5 cows take away.
And remember, Broncos, you're using an addition sentence.
Cannot be take away?
Is not take away. We'll do that next.
Okay, what? One, 2, 3.
All right, Broncos, let's back up so you can see it.
Okay. Oh, I think I got 2 cows right there in the barn or 3 right there.
So, which animals did you choose to use? Oh, so you're going the cows and the sheep together. Okay. Interesting. So you're trying to figure out the addition. Your addition sentence is using cows and sheep together. So how are you going to make that addition sentence, Xavier? What did you do? What are these numbers for? Where did you get 5? How did you get that number?
There's 5 sheep.
There's 3? There's 3 what? There's 3 cows. I see 3 cows, but then I also see some other cows in the barn. What about those? Do those count? They don't count? Why don't they count?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so if you're trying to find the total number of cows, the ones in the barn don't count? Okay, so I think that if you guys are trying to find the total number all together of sheep and cows, then you can count the cows in the barn. So how many would you have if you counted the cows in the barn? 5, so I see 5 right here. And then where did the 6 come from? The sheep. Okay, I want to see what answer you get first of all. All right, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. So Broncos, I want to see markers down, and I'm actually going to come collect your markers. Can I have your marker, Giselle? Thank you. And I want to see your whiteboards on the floor in front of you. It's turned off again. Okay. Thank you. Please, and I have your markers. And Carlos, let's put that down on the floor. Okay. All right, Broncos. So I heard some really great discussion, and now we are going to share. So when you come up to the front, you're going to show us your addition sentence. Tell us about it. Tell us why you chose that addition sentence, and you're going to show on the pictures what animals you've used. So let's see. I'm looking for a team that's ready. I see a whiteboard on the. Yep, there we go. Okay, Brian and Justin, come on up. Audience members, we are not touching the whiteboards. We are tracking the presenters. so 3 cows outside and 2 cows inside. 3 plus 2 equals 5. All right, thank you for sharing, friends. Giselle and Xavier, come on up. Okay, tell us about your subtraction or addition sentence. Xavier, I want you to explain it to us. Use your strong voice.
Count all the cows.
How many cows were there?
5.
5. So you have all the cows. And did you add something else to it?
Yeah.
What did you add? Oh, so they used the cows and the sheep. Okay, so tell us what your addition sentence says. All right, very nice. Yes, Giselle.
You could also do something else.
What could you do?
You could do it in three little blocks.
You could do it in 3 blocks.
You could do 3 plus 2 plus 6 equals 11.
Oh, wow, very nice. I like that you chose to do 3 numbers also. Okay, let's have one more group, and then the rest of us will share during the next round. So Nathan and Ava, come on up. Okay, tell us about your addition sentences.
We put 3 cows that are outside of the barn, and we put 3 plus 2 equals 3.
3, oops, sorry. Are you okay? 3 plus 2 equals 3.
I mean 1 plus 2.
Okay. Oh, so how did you decide that there was 1 cow and then 2 more? Did you do that based on where they are or based on their color?
Based on where they are.
Okay, so explain that. Explain that a little bit more.
We chose which animals we wanted. So then we put the cows, and then we just put how many they were. So we just put 1 plus 2 plus 3.
Okay, so you picked these cows right here. So you have 1 cow over here and 2 cows on this side. Nathan, what if you wanted to figure out how many cows there were all together? Because I see some cows outside and I see some cows in the barn. What would your addition sentence look like then? Okay, so you'd have 5 altogether, but how did you get that? What numbers did you put together to get 5? So we know that some cows are on the outside of the barn. So let's start with those. How many cows do we have on the outside of the barn? 3. And then how many cows do we have on the inside of the barn? 2. So we have 3 and 2. What addition sentence would you make with that? Equals? All right, very nice. Thank you for sharing. Okay, friends, so now what we are going to do, you can go back to your seats. We are going to do the same thing, but with a subtraction sentence. You're going to use the same picture and write a subtraction sentence with your partner. I'll bring you your markers. I don't want you to erase your addition sentences. Just put your subtraction sentence underneath. And I'll turn it back on again. You may start.
Okay.
You guys are going to use the birds. Okay.
Here.
So, what are you using for the birds. Okay. So, Brandon, I see you're writing 4. Why are you starting at 4? So, why, how do you know? Why are you changing it?
Because it was 5. I put 4 in
Did you get tricked because there were 4 on top of the barn? Okay, so why do you need to start with 5?
Because there was a 5 in the middle because I like 2. So, I see what we could do.
So there was 5 all together.
Minus 1.
Total, like the whole number was 5. And then 1 for that's what it looked like. Interesting. Okay. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. All right, I'm coming around to get your markers, and let's have the first team come up. We're gonna have Brianna and Rudy come up as the first team to explain. And I really like the way that Justin is tracking right away. He's watching them so they can present. Tell us about your subtraction sentence.
I took away 1 for the bird.
Okay, so you started with 5. Why did you take away 1 from 5?
Because another bird flying.
Oh, because only one of them is flying away. All right, thank you for sharing. Take a seat, friends. Joanna and Isleni. Okay. Tell us what you got.
You got 5 take away 5 take 1. 5 no, wait 5 take away.
Which animals did you choose?
The
You chose the birds? Okay, so you started with 5.
5 take away 1 equals 4.
Okay, why did you take away 1, Isleni?
Because 1 flew away.
Oh, very interesting. All right, friends, take a seat. And I'm going to come around and collect your whiteboards. So, Broncos, we've been doing a lot of practice writing addition and subtraction sentences, like you just did right now. And I heard some really great discussion. I can tell that we've been practicing. Today, can I take it, girls? You don't need to erase it. Today, we're going to learn how to identify the parts and the whole in addition and subtraction sentences. Go, Eek. Tell your partner, what are we going to learn today?
We're going to learn about subtraction. Okay, it has a sub.
All right, 1, 2.
Eyes on you.
Okay, friends. So I heard some of you were talking about the cows. So we're going to make an addition sentence with the cows, and we're going to figure out what are the parts in the addition sentence and what is the whole. So when I see the cows, I think, I see 2 cows inside the barn and 3 cows are outside of the barn. So I'm going to use this addition sentence. 2 plus 3 equals, what is 2 plus 3, everybody? 5, very nice. So, with my addition sentence, I need to know what are the parts and what is the whole. So let's read this definition together. This says, the
Parts of the whole are the 2 numbers that work together to make the whole.
So when you look at this addition sentence, what do you think the parts of the whole will be? Take a guess. What do you think they will be? Only Ava knows? What do you think, Ava? 2? Okay. Why do you think it's 2? Okay, so Ava says that one of the parts is 2. We also have another part. What do you think it is? Nathan? 3? Why do you think it's 3? Oh, because there's 2 cows on this side and 3 cows over here. Are those the parts that are working together?
Yes.
And then they make the whole. What is the whole? What do we have left over? Everybody, what is the whole? 5. It is 5. So 2 and 3 work together to make 5. 2 and 3 work together to make 5. Irvin, can you stand up and shake the... Thank you. All right, friends, so this is what you are going to do. We are going to put this addition sentence up on the board. And I want you to go eek.
Elbow, elbow, knee.
Tell your partner which of these numbers are the parts of the whole and which of the numbers is the whole. You can start.
The 4 is 6 and the 5 and the 1 are the parts. part. The part. So,
When you look at this sentence. So what do you think the parts are?
and the 1 is the part, and then the 6 is the answer. So, your turn, Rudy. Your turn, Rudy. Your turn, Rudy.
Well, do you know which number is the whole? Which number? 6. So do 5 and 1 work together to make a whole? Bring it back. Bring it back.
Bring it back.
I am going to circle the parts in red. Which 2 numbers should I circle? Which 2 numbers are the parts? Ooh, I see a lot of people know. Xavier, tell me one.
5.
5. And Brianna, tell me the other one. 1. So we have 5 and 1. Those numbers are the parts. They're working together to make the whole number, which is what?
6.
6. Easy peasy, right? Yeah? Okay, so let's look at a different one. Now we're going to try with a subtraction sentence. So in my subtraction sentence, I saw a lot of people use the birds. So we start with, there are 5 birds altogether. And one bird is flying away. 5 take away 1 is what, everybody? 4. So my parts and the total are a little bit different in subtraction sentences. So when I think about the whole, let's read this together.
The whole is what
you get when you put the parts together. So I have 4 birds here and I have 1 bird over here. But I need to put them together, and that tells me what the whole is. So when I look at my subtraction sentence, I know that since I started with 5 birds all together, that is the whole, because it's the number that I started with. Brian, did you know that? Yeah. So the parts, one of the parts is 1, because that's the bird that's flying away. The other part is 4, because those are the birds that are left over. Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes, Joanna? Are you going to add something?
I know I get it.
Now you get it? Okay, you want to try one by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's see, we have some sheep over here. We'll use the sheep because, so let's have, you know what? That'll be the same. We're going to do something different. Okay, so you are going to tell your partner, which number should I circle as the parts of the whole, and which number is the whole? Go eek.
What's your 6 is No. 6 is the whole, and 4 and 2 are the whole. I mean, the parts. Remember? Okay, so the addition is the last number is the whole, and the 2 in the front are the 6 is the part, and then they switch it, and then the subtraction is 2 is the putting the first one is the whole, and the last ones are the parts. So they switched
So
it.
if 6 is the whole, what numbers are the parts?